Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can add checkboxes to your documents in Excel, so let's get started. So guys, in the first step, simply right click here anywhere you like at the top where it's free space, for example somewhere here, and choose customize the ribbon from that drop down menu, and here inside that Excel option menu select customize the ribbons here to the right main tabs, and from the list below make sure that you enable the feature developer here from that list below and confirm by clicking on OK here. Next, head over to the newly added developer section here at the top. Click on that drop down menu here, insert, and select checkbox from that drop down menu. And after that, simply mark the area here in your document where you'd like to place your checkbox, like for example here. Now you can customize your checkbox. For example, you can change the text or delete it entirely. You can also adjust the size of your checkbox just like that. And that's basically it. Let me, for example, move it here into that box here in column D for that row and for that row as well and for that as well here and so on and so forth. So guys, now you will be able to either select or to unselect that checkbox depending on your document's content. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.